Today's video we are going to remove this old trash can and going to replace with this one stainless steel touchless 13-gallon trash can I bought from Amazon. Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we will open box and we'll talk about everything you need to know about this trash can. Now let's start. First we are going to open the box. So we're going to cut from the side. Very careful. You don't want any scratch on the trash can. And you're going to hold it from here. Just cut it from here. At the first, we have some papers. Most likely it's instruction manual. It's really tight fit. I have to pull from the middle first, then I believe. There you go. You got the lid. I'm gonna leave it on the side right now. And more foam inside. There we go. Wow. Ooh, was challenge on this side. So now we have a pulled trash can out of the box and it looked like this. And you can see one side have a clear stainless steel, it's not that heavy. And other side there's a line, it's like a joint. Basically I'm gonna put it against the wall, so I will put it this way. This side will stay always in the front. We don't have any inner plastic part like I have seen also some of the trash can. They have exactly same, but the plastic goes in, you put a bag inside and you can take them out, wash oftenly. But what I'm gonna do, mostly what I will do, I put 2 plastic bag inside, 2 trash bag. One we will change each time, like every week, every time I get full. The one I will change after like 1 or 2 weeks accordingly. So that's the way we're gonna clean up, and every month or 2 months, I just wash with the soap and we put it back. And we talk about the leg, it's not that heavy either. Leg is next made with the plastic and the combination with the stainless steel. And this one, it goes inside the lid to keep the smell like stink out. We're gonna put some smell pads inside, and that's the way you're gonna keep a stink away. That's all. And as I have to pull this one out to hold the trash can. So now let's talk about price and measurements. So this one is called Sensor Can. It's made by Sensor Can. It's also called iTouch Less 13-gallon Sensor Can kitchen trash can. So if it's open with the lid, from the ground to the lid here is 33 inch. But the lid closed, it's by itself, but from the ground to here is 25 inch. From here on the top, like here is 11 inch. From this side to this side is a 16 inch. So that's the measurement. For the price wise, I bought it for $89 plus tax from Amazon. But there's a lot more different variety, and you can also buy whole stainless steel. You can also buy the top black. Depend what you want, it's gonna be different price. Now let's talk about the feature. It's going to have a 4 D batteries, 4 D batteries, or there's also option if you have any AC adapter at your house laying down, or you have to buy, you have to put power DC or AC is a 6-volt on-off switch. You can use a power adapter if you have a receptacle close by. If not, you have to put 4 D-size batteries. Just simply open here for 4 D-size battery. We're gonna put in a minute, and it's gonna open each time you have a hand close to 6 inch. If you want to keep it open and keep it closed, you can also press from here. It will open, it will close. Now we're gonna bring one of the bag. I also show you what size of bags I'm going to use, and we're gonna put battery inside and we will test. If you more curious about the batteries, These are the D batteries. They have a label as a D. As you can see, it's 1.5. So we need 4 batteries to make a 6 volt. Now we're gonna install. Okay, I'm gonna use this phone to hold it. I don't wanna have any scratch. It says this battery is gonna last for 1 year. So at least it's gonna hold for 1 year. So this one is a plus size, and you see this one tells you the direction. So it's gonna go like this. So this one plus, minus, plus gonna go this way. It also have a direction inside. Now we're gonna close lid. I'm gonna use battery at this time, but I will try, if I have to, I will put a AC or DC adapter. Locked. Now basically this lid is the one doing everything. That one is basically only trash can. So I also have to put a bag inside, but right now we're just gonna test. We're gonna leave it on, close, we're gonna turn on. Power on. Let's see. So most likely it's on. I'm gonna touch, just open. It's gonna close automatically. Have a couple seconds. It says like 6 to 10 seconds. And I'm gonna see how far I have to wave my hand. I'm here about like 2 feet, about 1 feet, 6 inch. So most likely we'll take the sensor signal as long as you're in 6 inch close. Like if I have to throw something, I will look that, throw it away. So now I'm gonna let them close, and we're gonna test the open button. Say we have to do something like dump inside to keep it open. I'm gonna press open. I think it will stay open. As you can see, there's no light motion, so it will stay open. You're gonna close, it will close. So now the last thing, I'm gonna bring a bag. I'm gonna put it inside. I show you what kind of bag I have. It's gonna fit or not. I have these bags. They're 13 gallon, but dimensions is like this. So I'm not sure this one gonna fit, because the dimension for this one is a little bit different. 2 feet by 2 feet, 3 inch times 1.8. But we're gonna try. So I have a power off from the back side. I'm gonna move this one on the side very carefully. That's we have to all the time. I'm gonna try this one. Then I have another bag. You can always put bigger bag. So I have to remove this one. This one I'm just to test. You don't wanna put bag too tight, so it's gonna squeeze. So this one, it doesn't matter, you can put this way or this way. But as we say, the front side is clean, we're gonna keep at the front. And now we're gonna turn power on again. So far we have our trash bags inside and everything, batteries, we talked about the dimension, price, most likely we talked about everything. There's one more thing I just wanna share with you guys, because this one was advertising on Amazon saying this one is a fingerprintless. Like that means if you touch this trash can, it's not gonna have any fingerprint on it. So it's a fingerprint resistance. So there's gonna be no fingerprint on the stainless steel area. But here, it was dust, I already cleaned. And also I'm gonna show you this thing. It comes with it, it says odor filter. It comes with it, you can buy more, or you can have any other option you want to use. You put it inside, and I have turned the power off. You're gonna open this lid, and we're gonna remove this one. At the first time I will try like this, maybe there's a way. And I'm gonna take this one off. Here we go. Let's go this way. So you can leave it inside. That means any smell inside is like odor is gonna remove your stink from the trash can. So most likely, if trash can is closed all the time, anytime you open trash cans, you have a stink out. So this one gonna try to prevent the stink, so you're not gonna have it. So this one, it comes only one with the trash can. We have to buy by own, or you can just have a different way to make this bag. And our touchless trash can is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.